In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google domain to Systeme.io. This process can be a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that your domain is successfully integrated with your Systeme.io account. First, you'll want to head over to your Systeme.io dashboard. You can easily navigate to it by simply logging into your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard, which is your control center for all things Systeme.io. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. This icon typically contains your profile picture or initials, and it's the gateway to various settings and options within Systeme.io. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down or menu will appear. From here, you need to click on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage different aspects of your account. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you will see a menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Custom Domains. Click on it. This section is dedicated to managing and adding custom domains that you want to connect with your Systeme.io account. Once you're in the Custom Domain section, you'll see a button that says Add Domain. Go ahead and click on Add Domain. This is where you will input your Google domain name. Now it's time to add your Google domain name. Make sure you type in the correct domain name that you wish to connect to Systeme.io. It's important to double-check the spelling and format to avoid any issues later on. Once entered, follow any additional prompts to save and apply your domain settings. After you've added your domain, you may need to verify the connection by adjusting some DNS settings within your Google Domains account. This typically involves creating a CAM record that points to Systeme.io. Be sure to consult any guidance offered by Systeme.io on these specific DNS settings, as they can sometimes vary. And there you have it. Your Google domain should now be connected to your Systeme.io account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Systeme.io support for further assistance. They can provide you with the necessary guidance and troubleshooting tips to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can now effectively manage your online presence and improve your business operations with a custom domain linked to Systeme.io. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you connect your Google domain with ease.